Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel.
My YouTube channel. Go. So I'm gonna do all makeup, guys. I can't do makeup, but it's first scene. I'm gonna try. So this is my makeup. Today's Christmas, and I got this makeup with the glitter. Yeah, and so yeah, so I'm gonna do her makeup. I'm gonna try to do her makeup. So what color you want?
This color.
What color? Girl color?
I mean, this color.
Gold.
No, I want this
Purple. Okay.
golden purple.
One golden purple.
Yeah.
She want golden purple, guys.
You know why? I'm a bug show and so.
Well, I put your purple and your gold.
No, your gold first, then purple.
Yeah, okay. So we're gonna put purple and gold on your purple and one gold. Yours purple and yours gold.
Yours gold.
Yeah, guys, yours purple, yours gold. Girl, I know what my lip and right. So okay, when I open it, guys, I'm a kid still. I'm only 10 years old, so tomorrow my birthday after Christmas. So yeah. And then so the crackles, boom, boom, boom.
Sorry, is today Theo's birthday?
Lucio, the long guy.
Today is also tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Today
Who's
is on Christmas, Theo.
Who's Theo?
Tomorrow is Friday. And yesterday,
Who's Theo?
a brother.
He's a long white boy. His birthday's tomorrow.
Because he said on the shop.
It's tomorrow, yeah. My brother's birthday's tomorrow. So purple. She said. So it's supposed to be.
I'm closing KD.
Jeez, does it look like? The thing's not working really good. Okay. So.
You can't stop.
Jeez, look at me. Where's your eye? Misschien moet claro zijn like that. So. Why are you even laughing? You're gonna make me laugh.
I look like a movie.
Shut up. Okay, gee. Oh, ik kan het guys. I'm not yet. Okay, guys, this is Charlie. Say hi, Charlie.
Hey.
This is Charlie. So, close your eyes. I can't see, broski. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Look, do you guys see? Yeah, okay, I can. That is a little bit against the camera. Close your fucking eye, bro. So, okay, purple is finished. The gold. So there.
That's gold. Yeah. What you gonna take?
She's not gonna. She said she don't want. Okay, you can open that eye. Just close this eye. Charlie, leave my makeup. Can you do man? Close this eye. It is the side your child concert store. Stop pinching your eye. Not pinching, just.
But it dolls is my child credit.
Okay, I missed that.
I'm the motherfucker.
Ik was niet klaar met jou, die broski. Why you close it? Does she look right now?
Yeah.
You look very beautiful.
I'm gonna go watching the real mother.
You look very, very beautiful.
I'm gonna go
Stop. So I'm not done, man. Wacht.
Watch for the body first.
Okay.
Lipstick.
Shut up. I didn't get lipstick. So
I'm
I'm finished.
lipstick.
So guys, look here. Here's purple, here's gold. So I'm not done with my. So yeah. Close your eyes and make. So okay, bye guys. Get this by ShopRite. ShopRite, guys. ShopRite. I mean, like ShopRite. So yeah, bye. So.